Well, what you learn in equine science too is the meat and bones of working with horses in general. You learn the science behind how they move, how we move, and how that's connected.
We study everything there is to know about the horse, from their behavior, what makes them tick, how they're wired, how they think, how they learn. That helps us learn how to train them, how to create a trusting bond with the horse.
You learn how basically everything can affect them, from stress to diet to the weather and the climate and all that. And ultimately, all that ties into the better bond between the horse and rider. Regular routine starts off normally with a checkup in the morning, and that's more or less we groom them, clean them up. We make sure that they are eating regularly, drinking regularly, that there's no marks or abrasions on them. And if there are marks or abrasions, we make sure that those are healing correctly. We apply medicine if we need to.
There are students who come in with no experience at all. They're just really interested in learning and being around horses. And those are kind of my favorites, the people who really click with horses for the first time in their life and learn how special that bond is, and how special and healing that bond can be for a person and animal.